Hi everyone, this is Arad from English for Everyone, and today in this video I'm going to talk about this idiom, this expression, to take the bull by the horns. Okay, bull is a wild animal, okay, and it's like a cow, but it's wild, okay, and it has got horns. Now imagine you go to the wild animal and take this animal by its horns. Okay, and you control the animal by its horns. What does the picture wants to say? Well, when we say to do this action means to do the difficult thing. Maybe there is something difficult out there that you always postpone. Something that you say, okay, I'll do that someday. I'll do that tomorrow. I'll do that this Monday. And you always postpone it because it's difficult and you do not want to be in that trouble. You procrastinate, you think of other things, easy things, and say, let me do these things first, and then I'll get back to that one. And you never do that. But someday you say, I have to do this. I have to finish it. This is in my mind and it's making me crazy. It's always there. Let me finish this, okay? So when you decide this way and when you do something decisively, firmly, you want to do that, finish it, put it aside, you say, let me take the bull by the horns, or I have to take the bull by the horns. I must take the bull by the horns. So whatever you put over there is okay. Then you just continue this way, to take the bull by the horns. So take is the verb over here, so this is going to take time. So if I'm talking about past, so I would say, I took the bull by the horns, I will take, or any other form of the verb. So this is the expression, and it means to decisively do something, complete something, okay, or confront something. Let's look at examples, it will be more clear. Why don't you take the bull by the horns and ask him to leave? Okay, someone's there and I do not want him there, okay, I want him to leave, I want him to go. But I always say he might get upset, or it's not nice, or I do not have the face, I feel embarrassed, I don't know. But another person tells you, why don't you take the bull by the horns, means do the difficult thing, and ask him to leave. This is what you want to do, but you really do not dare to do so. Why don't you dare? Why don't you do this? Why don't you do the, let's say, brave thing and tell him to leave? Okay, so that is the expression used over here. Why don't you take the bull by the horns and ask him to leave? Why don't you decide and complete this? Okay, it's time to take the bull by the horns and go to the dentist's. Okay, the person knows that he or she needs to go to dentists, and this is a must, this is a necessity, something that is good for the person's health. But always says, okay, I'll do that. Next week, I'll call, I'll get an appointment. But you never do that. And then someday you tell yourself, it's time. I have decided I'm not going to postpone it. It's time to take the bull by the horn, I mean to make that decision and go to the dentist and finish this, not to let it be there anymore. I took the bull by the horns, so this is past tense. I took the bull by the horns, so I decided, I did the strong, brave thing, and what is that? And confronted him about his drinking. Okay, so the person, I know someone that drinks a lot, and that is harmful, that is bad for himself or his family or his relationship or anything like that. And then I say, okay, I have to talk to this guy about this. I have to confront him. I have to talk to him face to face. Confront means to talk face to face, and very, not just say, oh, you look good today or something like this. No, just go right. Not to beat around the bush. No, beat around the bush is another expression I have taught already. It means to go to the point, to get to the point, and talk about the serious thing, to the stuff that the person needs someone to talk to about. Okay, so I confront the person in a bit, let's say, aggressive way as well, and tell him about this issue. Tell him to stop this, to drink less or anything like this. Okay, so to take the bull by the horns means to do that difficult thing, the thing that is there and no one dares to do, or no one never decides to finish that, to complete it. So I have to take the bull by the horns means I have to finish this, I have to complete this. Okay, it's time for that. Okay, I hope this has been helpful. You have got the expression. Now you might be able to make these sentences, make some sentences, try some sentences, and comment them below the video. Let me see them, and if they need revision, I'll let you know. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.